Good morning, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 1, Real Numbers of class 10th. Here we are going to discuss Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r, satisfying the condition a equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than b. You should remember this condition a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than b. So, Euclid division algorithm, it is mainly based on this lemma only. So, division algorithm, you know that what is division algorithm. See, here we are going to divide the two numbers, that is a and b. While dividing, you will get the quotient and remainder, that is q and r, which should satisfy the condition a is equal to bq plus r. Here a is what? Dividend. What is b? That is divisor. What is q? That is quotient. What is r? That is remainder. Okay, you already seen in the lower classes. Division algorithm, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By this way only we will check the division. Okay, so now we are going to see the Euclid division algorithm. So mainly in division algorithm we are using what? Euclid division lemma. So okay, this division algorithm why we are using? To obtain the HCF of two numbers. Okay, that it is given here to obtain the HCF of two positive integers, say c and b, with c is greater than d. Suppose you are taking the two numbers c and d. In that case, c is greater than d. What steps you have to follow to get the HCF of two numbers? The first step, you have to apply the Euclid division lemma to c and d. While dividing, you will get the quotient and remainder, that is q and r. You know that the condition of lemma, that is a equal to bq plus r. That only I have written here. C equal to dq plus r, where r is equal to greater than or equal to 0 but lesser than d. Why I have written c and d here? Because I have taken the two numbers, that is c and d. So I have written here. The second step, what you have to see? In this case, in this condition, if your remainder is 0, if r equal to 0, that time what is your divisor? That is your HCF of the two numbers. Here what is the divisor? D. So HCF of the two numbers of c and d is what? D. Understood? If the remainder is 0, that time what is your divisor? That is the HCF of two numbers. Okay. Suppose in case if the remainder is not equal to 0, then what I have to do? If the remainder is not equal to 0, again I have to apply the Euclid division lemma to d and r, to d and r. This process to be continued till the remainder comes 0. Till the remainder is 0, till that I have to continue the process. What? Euclid division lemma, by changing the new dividend and new divisor. If the remainder is 0, that time what is your divisor? That's your HCF of the particular two numbers. See, look here. What is your divisor? That's your HCF. So we are going to see this one by some examples. I am taking two numbers 3 and 6. Okay. Here what is the bigger number that you have to assume as dividend, and the smaller number is divisor you have to take. So I am taking here 6 is divided by 3. How many times it will go? 2 times. So remainder is 0. This one I can write it in the form of a equal to bq plus r. So I already told you a means what? Dividend. What is the dividend here? That is 6 equal to divisor into quotient. What is the divisor here? 3. Quotient is what? 2. Plus remainder is what? 0. See, the first step itself, the remainder is what? 0 came. That's why that time what is your divisor? That is the HCF of two numbers. I already told you what is the divisor here. That is 3. So we can write it HCF of 3 and 6 is 3. Understand? One more example I am taking. See, look here, one more example. Another one. 30 and 50, suppose I am taking two numbers. So, okay. I have to write these numbers in the form of A equal to BQ plus R, that is Euclid division lemma. So, I am dividing. Which is the bigger one that you have to take it first as a dividend, and the smaller number is divisor. So, take it here by applying Euclid division lemma. Divide these two numbers because I want to write this number in the form of A equal to BQ plus R. So, I am dividing 50, which is divided by 30. So, how many times it will go? Only one time it will go. So, 1 into 30, 30. So, the remainder what came? 20. So, write this one. Dividend is equal to, that is 50 equal to divisor into quotient. So, 30 into 1 plus remainder. What is the remainder? That is 20. Now you check that the remainder is not equal to 0. That's why I have to continue the process till the remainder is 0. Okay, so again go for the second step. Take it second step. In that I already told you how to consider a new dividend and divisor. See, here I am taking, we consider new dividend. 30 I am taking, new divisor I am taking as 20. Okay, again continue the process by applying Euclid division lemma. See, by applying Euclid division lemma, we can write these numbers in the form of A equal to BQ plus R. So, take that dividend what you have taken as 30 and the divisor what you have taken as 20. So, divide these two numbers. It will go only one time. So, what is your remainder? 10. So, write it here. Dividend which is equal to divisor into quotient. So, 20 into 1 plus remainder, that is what? 10. Check that remainder again. Remainder is not equal to 0. So, again I have to apply the Euclid division lemma by taking the new divisor and dividend. Let's start with the third step. Okay. Here see, remainder is not equal to 0. So, we consider new dividend. What is the new dividend? Here 20. What is the new divisor? That is 10. Divisor 10 I have taken by Euclid division lemma. Again we can divide these two numbers 20 and 10. So how many times it will go? 2 times. The remainder is 0. So write this one. Dividend is equal to, that is 20 which is equal to divisor into quotient, that is 10 into 2 plus remainder, that is what? 0. Now you check that the remainder is 0. So I already told you, when the remainder is 0, that time what is your divisor? That is the HCF. Please remember, when you get the remainder is 0, that time what is your divisor? That is the HCF of two numbers. What is the divisor here? That is 10. So write it here. HCF of, what is the number? 30 and 50 is 10. Understands? Clear to you?